Cut 16. I'm gonna be honest, I've done this probably 16 times because I've never interviewed before, but we're gonna do it this time from the beginning. Hey everyone, my name is Wyatt. Today we're going to do an unboxing video on the Snapmaker 2.0 AT50 as well as their enclosure that they offered. I originally found out about Snapmaker through their first Kickstarter. So when they released the 2.0, which is a improved version of their original printer, I was pretty interested by the idea of a second iteration, so I decided to buy during the pre-order phase. So I ordered it back in March and it took a couple months to get here, and then obviously due to coronavirus it was delayed a little bit, but nonetheless it showed up at my doorstep recently. I'd seen some videos on the Snapmaker beforehand, so I knew the unboxing experience was going to be something super special. So I had some buddies come over and we all put it together. Along with great packaging offered by Snapmaker for the 2.0, the material finish on all the components are super high quality. The finish matches across all components, both for the enclosure and the printer, which is a nice added bonus. The instructions, super clear, easy to follow, didn't have any issues there. Also super nice to have some buddies looking over your shoulder, making sure you don't make any mistakes along the road, but overall, super easy process to follow. Building the enclosure similar to building the printer, super easy process, easy to follow, instructions, beautifully detailed throughout, no issues. Timeline-wise, to give you an idea of how long it took us to assemble both the enclosure and the printer itself, probably looking at about 4 to 5 hours, but mind you, 4 dudes kind of just messing around the entire time, having a good time doing it. It takes a little longer. Plus we had to film, so that added some additional time, but you could probably get both done and give or take probably 2 hours. When it finally came to turn on the Snapmaker, I personally was a little bit nervous, but we did a good job quality checking each other on the building process, fired right up, no issues. One of the unique qualities about the Snapmaker 2.0 is its modularity. So it has interchangeable tool heads, there's a laser engraver, a CNC, and a 3D printer head. So we decided to start off with the 3D printer, because that's what I'm most familiar with. I'd say probably my only complaint that I wish was a little different on the 2.0 is the fan for the power supply. It's pretty loud, so that'll definitely be something that I look at upgrading in the future because it's loud. You know, because it's a loud fan. Hey everyone. All I gotta say is I hope you enjoyed. If you wanna, I'll show you a thing or two about being hand and held. Hey everyone, my name's Wyatt. God, it's like an interview. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video that we made today. If you did, consider maybe reaching out to Snapmaker so they can send me another product and we can do another unboxing. Oh, first try! Oh my Lanza.